forthcoming colorway, which has been dubbed the triple black, is absolutely covered in black from head to toe, living true to its moniker. A streamlined execution is completed with tonal overlays, branding, and lacing, while the base is a smooth leather top. The trademark Total 90 branding and midfoot insignia are finished in glossy black for a subtle contrast, and the tonal design is completed with a black sole unit. Adding a layer of adaptability that is ideal for daily use, the triple black option enhances the Total 93's already impressive spectrum of performance, nostalgia and fashion-forward makeovers. Although there is currently no set release date, pairs are anticipated to arrive in the summer or fall of 2025. $100 is the retail price.